Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking this really good dish. I hope you like it. This is my first video on this channel. Please like and subscribe to support me. So let's start cooking. So these are all the ingredients we need for this dish. We have all the bell peppers, the yellow onions, the leeks and the green onions, and we have habanero pepper and garlic. Here we have the celery, Chinese celery, and this Chinese basil, Italian parsley, and we have Cameroon seasoning, these 2 packs, and then we also have Maggi cubes. For my dry ingredients, I have this garlic, white pepper, black pepper, my all-purpose seasoning, and a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna season my chicken with this all-purpose seasoning, half of it, and then I'm going to use the half in the pot. For now, I'm going to start by cutting my plantain so that I can start frying it. Now I'm going to transfer my chicken from this plate to this bowl so that I can season it properly. So I don't need to put too much salt, and this all-purpose seasoning have salt in it too, so this is fine. Now I'm going to cut my plantain. Guys, I like to put a little bit of salt on my plantain, and then I like to sprinkle a little bit of salt on my plantain like this, and then I put some water and rinse it out. It gives it a really good taste. This is good. I set it aside. Now I'm about to start frying my chicken, so I'll put on the fire, and I'm gonna put some oil in this pot. This is good. While I'm waiting for the oil to heat up, I'm gonna start cutting my veggies. They already washed and clean. This is one way of cutting the gas. Another way that I use to cut it with is like this. Now that my veggies are cut and ready to be cooked, I'm gonna start frying my chicken. I put this thing on it to prevent the chicken from the oil from splashing everywhere. My chicken is golden brown, and I have to flip it, and wait for the other side to cook. I think my chicken is ready. I'm gonna take it out. Fry another batch. When you fry your plantain, guys, don't move away. Stay by it because it cooks really fast. Now I think our plantain is nice and ready. Now that my chicken is fried and my plantain fried, I'm about to start cooking my food. My DG. This dish is called chicken DG, poulet DG in French. It's a Cameroon dish. Now I'm putting the oil in the pot, not too much. I'll wait a little second. Put a piece of onion in it. Yeah, so now I know when it starts drizzling like this, I know it's ready. The oil is ready. Now I'm putting my garlic and my onion. Let it fry for at least 30 seconds. Then I will start adding my other veggies. Because I like my veggies crunchy. So I won't cook it too much. Now I'm gonna start by adding the spring onion and the leeks. Then now I'm adding my basil. Next, the celery. And the parsley. add as much celery and parsley as you want. It depends on your taste. Some people like a lot of parsley, some people like a lot of basil, some people doesn't. I like a lot of parsley, a lot of basil, a lot of veggies. So please, you can put as much as you can or less than this. This is how I like it, guys. But this dish is called poulet DG. This is my version of it. Some Cameroonian, some people from my country, they like blending everything, but I like doing it this way. Thank you. Now I can add my habanero pepper. You cannot add it straight with the onion and the garlic because it's gonna be too anyway, if you do that, you won't be able to breathe. It's gonna be suffocating. Now I like to add it at this stage of the cooking. Next come my bell peppers. My dry season is going to be coming at the end. Once I add my dry seasoning, guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now, I'll start by adding my garlic. I told you I like my veggies crunchy, so I won't wait for it to be too cooked. I add my garlic. Here come my white pepper. And my black pepper, my salt, and my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add half a cup of water. Some people put a lot of oil to cook it, guys, but I try to limit my oil intake, so I didn't put too much. That's why I have to add water. It's looking good. Now this is pepper, Cameroon seasoning. Usually I don't put this much, but I guess today I want to overindulge myself. I'm going to add a little bit of water, another half a cup of water. Now opening my Maggi cube. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this look. And tasty too. Trust me, this dish is so tasty. Try it. Try this dish and send me a comment. Please, 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 please. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe, please. Subscribe. Like and subscribe to support me. This is my first video, guys. Now, I think everything is ready and tasty. I'm going to add my chicken first. I think I'm not going to put all the chicken in the pot because there won't be no space for the plantain. And lower down the fire to preserve the water from drying, to prevent the water from drying up. Now I'm about to add my plantain. This is home cooking, guys. Home cooking. Yes. Now I have to off the fire. It's all ready. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Colorful, beautiful, and tasty. Our food is ready. Poulet DG. This is my version. Now our food is ready and served. This food is so tasty and it looks so good. Guys, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Please. You remember it's my first video and I promise you will like this dish. Try it and send me a comment. Thank you. See you next time.